How to put pictures in TikTok comments. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. You will land to the For You page. Now head towards the video in which you want to comment with picture. Go to the comment section of the video. Now you have to select any of the comment to reply with the picture. Click on the option of reply. With that, you will get this red kind of icon over here. Click on it. With that, your camera will open up. You can click the picture, shoot the video, or upload any of the picture or video from your gallery. For instance, I'm going to upload picture from the gallery. If you also want to do so, click on this option of upload. But in the case you want to click the picture or shoot the video right away, just click on this icon and do that. Once you select the picture, click on next. Now from this page, you are able to edit this picture. You can add the music. Likewise, you can add effects, filters to this picture. This picture will also be uploaded in your TikTok account as a video. So if you want to edit this picture, you can do that from here and then click on next. From here, you can customize given settings and then click on post. Once it is posted, now you will be able to find this picture in the comment section. You can go and check in the video. So here it is. This is how you can easily put pictures in TikTok comments. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.